guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I wanted to invite you to not one but two challenges that I will be hosting in the upcoming weeks. The very first one is my monthly DIY challenge that I started last month, and it actually did quite well, so I would like to repeat it this month as well. The theme for this month will be Mother's Day or Cinco de Mayo. You can pick whichever theme you want, and you are to DIY anything you want. It can be a Mother's Day present, it can be a card, it can be just anything for Mother's Day, something that you want to display, maybe some pictures for yourself or for your mom, or anything for Mother's Day. And then Cinco de Mayo, anything that represents Cinco de Mayo to you, you can DIY. There is no budget, there is no specific materials to use. Use your imagination, the world is your oyster. And that challenge is due on May 5th at 8 a.m. And some rules are: you have to be subscribed to my channel, you have to mention my channel as well as the playlist in the description box. And that's it. I hope you can join me. I will be making, just to give you an idea, I will be making some presents for my mom and my mother-in-law. Since I am unable to go out and get them anything, I thought I will make them something. I will have my kids probably make cards, but I will make them something as a gift from us. So that's what I will be doing. The next challenge is a new challenge that I'm kind of trying out and see how it is received. It is hard for me to explain, so bear with me. If you are not understanding what I'm saying, make sure you leave me a message so I can maybe explain it a little bit better in writing. It is called the Home Decor Dupe Challenge. So this is not necessarily DIY challenge, but it can be. So I myself always, when I'm decorating a space or a room or a fireplace or a kitchen table or a kitchen nook or a coffee table or my front porch, anything, I look for inspirations. These can be found in magazines, Pinterest, storefronts, really anywhere that you can find an inspiration for your home decor. And sometimes I will take that inspiration and try to replicate with things that I have around my house. So I shop my home to create the look. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity to host a challenge like that, where you can show us what inspired you. So you need to show me your inspiration for your decor. So you can decorate any space, you can decorate a whole room, you can decorate just a table, a shelf, or a nook, or if you want to, you can decorate your front porch. It doesn't really matter what you're decorating, as long as you can show us your inspiration and how you had replicated that. If you can show us prices of things, you can do that as well. You don't have to. I know that I personally don't remember how much I paid for things, and a lot of my supplies are DIY. So which brings me to the DIY component. You don't have to include a DIY piece, but you can. I certainly will. If you don't have something and you want to create something, show us that you have created something so you can achieve the look that you're going for. But definitely shop your home. Use the items you have in your home to decorate. I will be doing some redecorating now that the Easter's going away, taking stuff off, maybe adding a couple decor pieces. So I'm definitely going to be looking for inspiration. My place for inspiration is Pinterest, but I do like to look at magazines as well. So I hope you can join me, and the due date for this challenge is April 30th, so 2 weeks from today, and the upload time is 8 a.m. So the rules are: you have to show us your inspiration and your finished product, and obviously show us items you've used. Show us if you use the DIY. Let us know if you use the DIY. If you are creating something, show us how you created it. You have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to mention my channel and the playlist down in the description box as well as in your video. And that's it. Well, I hope you can join me. Let me know down below if you are thinking of participating. And I think that's it. So I have 2 challenges. One's May 5th, and the other one's April 30th. And I will have another invitation coming out next week, I think, if my calendar serves me right. No, actually, I will not have it next week. That's next month. See? Not thinking straight. So anyways, yes. So I hope you can join me in these challenges. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I post DIY decor type of videos all the time. I have a couple challenges going on, and if this is something you wish to participate in, make sure you keep my notification bell and you are subscribed to my channel, so that way you know when these invitations go up. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.